What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and I got the Galaxy Z Fold 5 on deck. And I just want to talk about this device for a minute, guys, because I feel like after the big update, yes, this device has One UI 6.1.1 now, and all the Galaxy AI features. I feel like this might be the best deal when it comes to a foldable device. Let's get into it. Let me share a little something with you guys. I know a lot of us have a ton of subscriptions. I have a ton of subscriptions. You have a ton of subscriptions, and we want to cut down on them. But it's hard to cut down on them because we might miss out on the game, our favorite show, or getting our packages super fast. So maybe instead of doing that, actually save on the service instead of having to cut services out. This is why I'm very interested in Mint Mobile. And this channel for this video is partnered with Mint Mobile because they offer premium wireless service for 15 bucks a month. Mint Mobile offers high-speed data, unlimited talk and text on the nation's largest 5G network. And we can even bring our current phone and our current phone number so we don't miss out on anything. It's super easy to sign up. Just go to the link in my description and you can actually have an eSIM from Mint Mobile today. Okay, YouTube, so you wanted to try a foldable device, but they are too expensive. Yes, these devices are like $1,800 to $2,000 brand new. But now we got the Fold 5, and the Fold 5 has the latest update, the latest One UI update 6.1.1. So it's got a really strong processor, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Now it has all the features of a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, which includes all the AI tricks that you'll see on that device also. I've seen it on Amazon Renew for really good condition at a $700 price point. I've seen these new lows at $800 price point. I've seen these cheaper when I see people selling them personally. So at that price point, it becomes a little bit more affordable. Now we got to talk about this. Are these devices holding up? I feel like my Z Fold 5, guys, is still in really good condition. I bought this Z Fold 5, got it before the date it was supposed to come out, and I mean, it's still in really good condition, and I'm not one to baby my devices. The hinge and everything still work perfectly, still a perfect snap, still opens up nice and wide. I don't hear any creaking, any cracking. I feel like build quality really peaked with this one. So with this device being able to hold up, I don't see no reason for me to get rid of this device. I don't need to get rid of it now because it has an issue. It's like really honestly, except for one scratch on the cover display, which is my fault because I'm not careful with it. It's just a device that's in really good condition and holding up really well. So as far as the used market or as far as the renewed market, I really wouldn't be scared of this device. Like I said, I've owned this device before it was supposed to launch. Same device, nothing fixed, no screen issues, no display issues, no I didn't baby it, nothing's ripped. And I haven't been hearing a whole bunch of complaints from other Z Fold 5 owners about issues with their Z Fold 5s. So I'm just saying that to make a point, like, you don't really have to be scared of this device. I feel like the days of foldables, maybe Fold 3 or Fold 4, I'm not sure, but any issues that you heard of, I feel like now they're to the point where they're structurally good enough to last a couple years. And you guys know how I utilize this device. I call it my mini tablet. Is my companion. When I don't have all of the big tech on deck, like my iPad or my laptop, and I got this thing with me and I want to get something done, I'll actually pull out LumaFusion and edit a video. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 is still a really powerful processor compared to a lot of the flagship phones that's out today. So really came in handy in a lot of little situations as far as some things that you would normally do on a laptop or an iPad, but you didn't have those things with you. Now, as far as this device clothes, guys, I've always enjoyed the minimalness of the cover display. I always thought this was a convenience display. I never wanted this display, or I never thought this display needed to be a full-on phone. I'm going to be honest with you. This candy bar style slides right into your pocket. You pull it out easy one-handed use. You can send a text, and especially if you get the right case. I get cases that don't have a frame around the front, and I've got full use of the front cover display. And as far as the cameras go, guys, I really felt like it wasn't anything that I could not do with this device as far as getting some 4K footage, and this device actually shoots up to 8K footage, and also getting some great point and shoot pictures. I really feel like for some reason, I'm not sure, you guys know I deal in Samsung devices. The Fold 5 was really good at point and shoot photography. Like at one point it was better than my S24 Ultra. S24 Ultra went through a couple updates and it has gotten better, but just as far as point and shoot go, this thing actually did a really, really good job. I did a lot of little product shots and things of that nature. It would be some pictures on my Twitter that you would never know, or my Instagram that you would never know came from the Galaxy Z Fold 5. But I just kind of wanted to revisit this device because I feel like you could get it for a budget price. But as far as the build is really solid, as far as the processing power is really good, as far as the cameras is really good. I haven't had any issues mechanically with this device. So I know there's a lot of people that would like to try a folded phone, especially a bigger fold, but don't want to spend $1,800, $2,000. That's just out of reach. But now as we see these devices, these older folds, the Fold 5 is still a solid older fold that I could recommend somebody pick up and actually get some real use out of and some real productivity, because this is a productivity master. I just wanted to revisit this device and let y'all know, man, you might, if you want to get into the foldable market, the cheapest way that gets you there with a solid device that has a lot to offer is a Fold 5. It's your boy BG Tech Life. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. I'm out. Peace.